ng request mo. Huwag natin ma-sale ba hassle sa inyo, okay lang, legit. Kahit ano lang tayo dito, mag iced tea. RBX. Hinaantay talaga namin yung laro. Warzone, parang hindi ko kasi kaya mag Warzone. Thank you Ate Marcel so much. Spart, hello Spart. Marian, hello.
Umakit na kasi. Ano sabi mo, Tang?
Uy!
Sakit ang ulo ko.
Queen Amya, wait lang guys. Love anime.
Mamon, pwede?
Hello.
Chocolate mamon.
Hello.
Sige.
Queen Amya, wait lang guys. Love anime, hello. Queen Amya, wait lang guys. Love anime, hello. Humor, kita pa shoutout po. Yori-chan, hey! Hello, hello. Ilang taon ka na nun? 16. 16 years old ako nun. Why you give notifications?
Pagkatapos niyan yung nagkasakit ako naman.
Production niya sa'yo, wala yung cut niya. Yan na.
Wala na siya sakit, ako naman.
Sige, pa naman kitang gamot sa ubat at sinapang
Diba kagagaling ng sakit
ay
yan?
naman yung tinapay doon.
Diba kagagaling ng sakit yan? Tapos ako, pagkatapos niya, ako naman.
Yung tatlong tinapay, tapos kain ka.
Salitan tayo, yan yun ah.
Ano mo yung tatlo?
Oo. Para I love you.
Ganun. Mag-house tour ka. Wala, lilipat na ako. Hindi ko na kaya dito.
Lilipat ka na naman. Lilipat-lipat ka.
Tsaka di nga masyadong maayos yung bahay. Hindi ko siya naayos kasi hindi naman ako permanent here. Hi Kim. Do you still play Balo? Minsan na lang eh. Nawawala akong tutok. Natatali ko ng hair ko guys. Gusto ko kasi pabain. Pero ang weird ng pagkano ng hair ko. Eto maganda yung pag ganon. Ginupit ko kasi ito. Ewan ko kung bakit. Anong
Tita
trip
Dina,
ko. Yun,
abot pa kaya
Nawalan
itong
ng
page
shape
neto
tuloy.
pag nagre-record?
Tingnan natin yan, no?
Mag-end naman ito mamaya-maya,
Ipit lang.
diba?
Kaso ang lapad kasi ng noo ko eh. Wa. Parang hindi kaya. Kailangan ko pahabain niya sa Bangos area. Wala, nag-live lang ako para mangulit. Hindi kaya. Tulog na ko eh. Naglalaro pa ako eh. Kasi ano ako. Ewan ko, yung body clock umaga ako natutulog talaga. Kasi ayoko sa araw eh. Wala din akong blackout curtains. Siguro kaya tinamad din ako gumawa ng contents. Kasi gising ako sa gabi, diba? Ayun kapag daylight time ko maglaro. Tapos kapag umaga kasi sa dati kong condo may blackout curtains ako. So kapag
Kasi, sa likod mo.
kapag umaga doon ako nagko-content kasi walang araw.
Kasi,
Haba na ng buko, guys. Tali ko na siya. Diba? Very nice. Natasmut ang hair
oh
mo.
my gosh.
Mukha lang smooth yan, pero siyang sira na yan. K-Rose. Oras ka po natutulog. Mga 10 a.m.
Ano mangyayari bukas sa Black Rider?
Chelsea, holler. Lalin. Kala mo 10 p.m. no? Umaga nga 10 a.m. Ipis mode. Ang ganda ng mga gamit mo ko yan, gingit eh. Wala, pangit lang. So here in hello, it is 12 a.m. It is 12 a.m. Ang nilalaro mo? Mostly kasi mga FPS games ako. FPS games madalas ko nilalaro. Wala kasi ang cool, tapos gusto ko yung pumabalal. Uy. Paano mo natutali pa din to? Nasa ba? Aldre, hello Aldre. Tutok po yung hikaw mo sa ilong. Yes, P. Na rin horror. Kapag horror kasi, na papawas ako. Kakatili. Kaya di din ako masyadong gawa. Pero sakto lang. Saktuan lang. I will dance waka waka siguro tomorrow. Yung tomorrow everyday. Hindi ko nagagawa. Ewan ko kapag kapag gabing-gabi na, ay kapag umaga, nasisilo yung mata ko, sumasakit. Kaya di din ako gising na umaga talaga. Gabi more patit pang ganun. We will see. Kapag nag-hit ang ating movie, tingnan natin sana may mga opportunities na acting, ganito, ganyan. Pero parang ako, hindi naman ako hindi ako confident pa umacting. Parang, tanry ko lang as of now. Kasi, di ba, once na kasi nagustuhan mo isang bagay, you're not gonna make it a hobby. Parang gagawin mo siyang career. Hindi naman, ewan ko, huwag niyo akong pakinggan. Skulls, I miss you. Like dancing, I never liked dancing before, but once I tried it, I learned it, I started to love it. Kasi ganun naman kasi lahat lagi ng bagay. Parang, you need to learn how to love one thing, then you will love it forever. January, ano po yung acting nyo? Yung sa movie ko nga, Miss You, Skulls. Maybe may grado ka na sa eyes yan. Hindi naman siya malabo, yung eyes ko. Like, nababasa ko pa kahit malayo. Miguel, hello. Crystal Jane Alfonso. Do since you, hello. Okay, what's your age? 23. I try to nose piercing din. Huwag niyo akong gayahin, guys. Skulls, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Kaya ang sakit ng crush ko at hindi ako gusto. Kailan yan, darating din yung tamang tao para sa inyo. Ako, masaya ako now kasi yung sa akin, hindi ko naman inantay. Siguro inantay ko, pero hindi ko siya in-expect. Parang a person will come in your life, the least, parang, what do you call this? Na hindi mo siya in-expect to come. Medyo goods naman siya yung nakakausap ko now. He's kind of courting me now. Hoy! Kino-court niya ako now. And super open-minded niya sa lahat. Ayoko naman magsalita ng tapos. Pero ayun, okay siya. Okay siya for now. Like, naiintindihan niya yung traumas ko. Naiintindihan niya yung what do you call this? Naiintindihan niya yung mga bagay na hindi naiintindihan ng mga tao sa akin before.
Mo nakita yan. Live sila.
Nakikrinjan ka ba sa old vids mo? Safe. Hindi ko in-explain na gagawin ko yun. Pero alam mo, di ba? Most of the time naman ganun eh. Kung ano yung in sa era yun, it's good for that era. Pero syempre now, di ba nga sabi nila, change is inevitable. Inevitable. Basta yun, inevitable. Hindi ko alam yung huwag yun ako content. Basta yun. Change is constant. So, you will find things na you loved even before. Tapos ngayon, medyo,
Hindi! Ano ba yung siyan yan? Ha?
Ayun naman ito, sinong gamot na tutulog na ako.
Okay, Kim. Yung mo, Kim. Visit ka. Huwag ka manood.
Tapon. Tapon.
Kim, sira ulo ka. Nagdadrama ako, tapos comment ka, yes, gago. Wag ka, marketing tactics ko to, wag kang makialam. Malapit na mag-open yung
Rita na
Lami na lumabas yung game. Ayaw mo ng support?
Tipla mo kung kapag.
Ang gusto ko support, Kim, bilang mo ako ng the day before.
Sige na nga, bukas na. Wala kami inom
Ngarag.
Natural, tubig. Tanggalin mo muna malagyan ng...
Ha?
Lagyan,
PJ,
galin.
hello.
Tanggalin!
Sana dumating kahit hindi inis. Anong inis pick na dadating?
Ano?
I'm so happy for you that you finally found the person that you've been longing for. Actually, it's not easy. Parang, hindi mo kasi masasabing that's the person that you are looking for kasi it's a long time process before you know that that is the person na for you. Actually, wala naman talagang tamang tao eh. Para sa akin, walang tamang tao. It's up to that person to be the right person for you. English yun, gagi. Don't worry. Ako yun! Pero totoo yun. Wala naman talagang tamang tao, guys. It's up to that person. And it's up to you to be the right person for that person. Inisip ko yung person. Oh my God. Anika, hello. What do you want for Christmas? The day before. May nagtanong, sabi, what do you want for Christmas? Sabi ko, the day before. Baka naman! The day before Christmas. I like your humor. Hindi ko alam, my humor doesn't like me. Andy de las Reyes, hello. 3 minutes na lang. Oo nga, wala na. Charot.
Kailan ni Didi na yung challenge?
Saan, hindi kasi parang iba siguro yung price ito. Kapag 500 ito, kaya ko naman bilhin. Pero 2K, grabe. Pero ang ganda kasi ng graphics niya, guys. Pero yan, kwentuhan muna tayo. Tama ko yan, walang perfectong tao. Tama naman. May mga flaws din naman siya. Kahit nag-uusap pa lang kami, may mga flaws din naman siya na parang hindi siya hindi kami ganun nagkakausap kasi nga may work siya, graveyard shift siya sa work niya. Siyempre kailangan marespetuhin yun. Kaya may respect yun kasi hindi naman iikot sa yung mundo eh. Kasi before, sa isang relationship, gusto ko kasi umiikot yung taong yun. Hindi, parang ako yung mundo dapat ng taong yun. Kasi I thought that was love. Na kung kaya niyang i-sacrifice yung mga things na ganito ganyan para sa'yo. I mean, it's normal to sacrifice some things for you to be happy. Ayun, pero nalos ako. Pero ayun, din yung para sa akin. Akala ko kasi dati yun nga, kapag ginawa ka mundo ng isang tao, yun na yung tao para sa'yo. Pero toxic way yun of thinking na parang that's your devotion to be with that person. Pero ang sa akin kasi ngayon, ang thinking ko, ang mindset ko na kapag kaya ka respetuhin ng taong yon bilang ikaw at hindi dahil na meron kang ganito, meron kang ganyan, pero he or she can respect you the way that you wanted to be respected. Yun yung siguro peak ng love. And ginagawa naman niya yun. And binabalik ko din yun. Though, syempre, overthinkers ako. Ang dami ko naman. Pero most of the time kasi overthinking akong tao. Parang nag-overthink ako na what if ganito ganyan, what if mag-cheat siya. Ewan ko nga takot ako sa idea ng cheating, pero hindi ko pa siya nararanasan. May mga ganun kasing bagay sa mundo na parang kinakatakutan mo. Siguro takot ko ma-experience yun kasi hindi ko alam how will I react on that type of situation, na hindi ko alam kung masakit ba? Siyempre, masakit yun. Pero hindi ko alam how will I react and how will I accept that kind of, hurt or ache, diba? Yun. Oh my God, hindi ako naman siya ba? Hindi naman ako wait lang guys. Masakit kasi yung tiwala nawawala. Ganun talaga. Feeling ko 1:32 kasi less than an hour eh. 2. Mima, sa'yo may water by Tyla. Hindi nga gumagano yung puwet ko eh. Ano ba GF? But have you ever had a GF? No, I didn't have a GF growing up. Kasi para sa akin, it's a choice of mine, yes. Pero kasi sobrang laki ng respeto ko sa babae na ewan ko eh, lumaki din ako sa mami ko. Tapos hindi talaga ako nagkaroon ng love interest sa girls. Maybe I tried before, pero hindi talaga siya nag-work kasi it's not what I like. Parang hindi siya based sa preference ko kasi yun, hindi ko talaga gusto ng babae. Kasi mas prefer ko silang ginagawa ko silang ate, sisters, gano'n. Para kasi feeling ko sarili ko incest kapag ng girlfriend ako ng babae. Tsaka gusto ko din kasi, depende kasi sa preference niya eh. Ayun. Lumaki din ako sa nanay ko. Nakita ko din kung paano sinasaktan yung nanay ko ng papa ko before. Kaya parang I don't want to do the same mistakes nung pagkabata ko na nakikita kong gano'n. Tapos kaya sobrang laki ng respeto ko sa mga girls talaga. Kasi nakita ko yun eh. Nakita ko kung paano saktan ng papa ko yung mama ko before. So ayun, mas na-appreciate ko yung mga girls. Not in the way na nagiging love interest sila, but the way na parang I can be their sibling, ganon, sisters. Ulit-ulit naman, sabi ko nga wala nga akong preference sa girl eh. Hay nako. Basta ayun. Kaya nasa plan mo ba talaga yung pagiging content creator? Is it part of... Wala. Nothing in this world right now. Ay! Hindi. Para sa akin, parang hindi... Lahat naman nangyari sa mga... nangyari sa akin ngayon, hindi ko siya plan. Parang... unexpected lahat. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Unexpected lahat ang nangyari sa buhay ko ngayon. Kayo friend ni Ate Marcel. Si Ate Marcel, yes. Miss Yen Ben Dabina. Hindi ko na alam kung kamusta na siya. Pero I think she's doing well. Hi, May. Kuya, proud or pride? What do you mean? Pero kahit ganito ako wisdom na tao. Uy, wisdom! Sino na gano'n? Pa-pride akong tao. Kasi feeling ko kapag tama ako, tama talaga ako. Kapag mali ako, tama pa rin ako. Ganun akong tao. Anika Faminiano, hello. Crystal Jane, what's up? Walang pasok bukas. Uy, mag-aaral na pala ako next year, guys. Kailangan ko na mag-aaral kasi feeling ko nabobobo na ako. Andy de los Reyes, George Guta. Best time for happiness. There's no best time for happiness. What course? I am still contemplating about flight attendant or culinary. Kasi yung senior high na senior high course ko or strand before is culinary arts. Pero bigla akong parang nagkaroon ng interest sa pagiging flight attendant kasi parang wala lang. Parang nagkaroon lang ako ng interest bigla pero parang feeling ko sa sarili ko, I will still pursue culinary arts. Yun. Kasi I'm comfortable when cooking. Parang sa akin, I'd like to explore a lot of tastes. Di ba kaya nabobobo na ako? Yung mga flavors na gusto kong i-explore yung mga flavors na hindi ko pa natikman before. Nagsi-CODM ka? Hindi nga mahal-mahal kaya ng Call of Duty. Ayun. Miss ko, totoo lang yan yung 2020 kasama mo si Black. Huwag niyo na ibalik yung past, guys. Kumbaga, sabi nga nila, diba, change is constant. Kung ano yung meron ngayon, dapat we must accept it. And if you don't, then it don't. Krishy, hi, Dino. Si ODM sa phone? Hindi I mean, akala ko yung Warfare. Hi, Kong. Andy de los Reyes, Crystal Jane Alfonso. Hi, Carl. Arshan, hello. For the chika minute tayo. Skya, Hero. Wala tayong tulugan. Na naman. What time is it over there? It's 1 a.m. Fiona, hello. Have you watched The Boy Foretold by the Stars? It's a BL movie. Hindi ako nanonood ng BL movie. Siguro yung last na pinanood kong BL movie. Yung kila Bright. Yun lang siguro. Napanood ko din kila Kokoy. Kay Santos. Yun lang. Time to go to sleep. I will sleep if you buy me the day before. Hay! Lagi. Mautak. Karya Longakit. I don't usually sleep in the evening because I'm awake in the evening. I'm a night owl. Katniel pa din. Tama. Alam niyo ba, ilang beses ko pinanood yung Katniel movies dahil sa best friend ko, si Rose. I told you I would. You're gonna buy me, JJ. If you're gonna buy me, it's okay for me. I will accept it. I think it's only 2K. Look, I'm still waiting for the game to be released. I think it's gonna be released at 2 a.m. But if you buy it for me as a birthday gift, why not, right? I will play it all the time. I will stream it like that, Rindo, hello? Tagal nga eh. I really want to play it. Kasi the graphics is so nice. It's like The Last of Us, GTA, Daisy mix. Chucky Valdez, hello. Sunshine Girl, hello. Thank you so much for the heart me. Oh, I miss you, Sunshine Girl. I hope you're doing well. But if you buy it for me, JJ, I will be so happy. I will be so grateful. Hi! Kumusta ka na? Okay lang ako. Kaka-birthday ko lang, Sunshine Girl. Nimzy, hello. Birthday ko noong November 23. May kamukha ka. Sino na naman?
Tapos na yung bakit
50 minutes na lang, oh. Lalabas na yung game. May
Hindi araw-araw pa.
hello. Hi, Adeline. Happy birthday ako din. May birthday na Sabado. So, Sagittarius ka pa? If I buy it, I deserve a FaceTime. Joke. No, serious, I will buy it for you for your birthday. But my birthday with Pyok. But my birthday has already passed. So, my birthday was November 23. You know? Yes, ma'am. Ay, very nice. I'm a Sagittarius myself also. November 23. November Sagi. So, you're gonna buy it for me, JJ. If you buy it for me, I'm gonna be so happy. Look, oh. You can customize the characters. So cute. It'll be a late night for me when it arrives. You can buy it for me now, you know. What's the zodiac sign you hate the most? Maybe not hate, but I just don't like the personality of an Aquarius. Men. I don't know why. Or I can pre-order it. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop the day before. It's gonna drop at 2 a.m.
Hindi lang ako yung inuubos.
Do you have Steam, Jay? I'm just waiting for it to, to be available. So we're waiting. Me and Ate Zendi, look.
Mag-chat
We're
yan sa akin.
meeting.
Tita Day.
Cash App and you can order it. You can send it to me via PayPal. Oh my God! Are you serious yourself? Because I'm gonna be so kilig. How
Tita
much?
Di,
I
dapat
think
kayo
it's
dito
$39.
bukas.
I
Dahil sa
search it.
akin?
No, 49, I think. Yeah, 49.
Yung ano?
I search it. You can search it on Google.
Kalaki.
May bibili na sa akin ng
Kalaki
baby
dahil sa lagnat mo.
Ay, bibili na sa akin ng the day before. I'm serious and that's cheap as hell.
Nanaklak na pala.
JJ, are you serious? Don't make me paasa yourself. Thank you so much. Makakalaro na tayo, guys.
Ilan hours ako natutulog?
Hi, Ann. I promise I will buy.
Dikit ng ano.
Where will I send my PayPal account to you? Ann, hello. Kailan movie mo Zimbabwe? I'm excited much. Sa January.
Filipino.
Message mo, what's your Instagram? I will message you my PayPal account.
Oh. Matagal na. Hindi ko lang sinusulat.
Pwede yun natin sendin, no? PayPal. Sa Steam.
Paano ko masusulat?
Okay, sige.
Hina na ako.
Then I will connect my PayPal on Steam so I can buy the game.
Nakulang kaya ako ni Ate Rahel.
Okay, I will add you on Instagram.
Buti hindi ka narinig ni Prince.
Wala. Wala dyan. Nandyan ba?
Makit na.
Oo, makita.
Jane.
Problema dun.
Meron.
Eh, bakit nang-aasayo siya eh?
J.
Bakit kaya ako sa live?
I added you already, JJ.
Sakit ang ulo ko talaga.
I added you on Instagram. Hi, Eddie. Hi, Shy.
Pag nag-live ako,
Prince.
tingnan mo, naka-live din.
I'm in a great holding a baby. Yes, I followed you already. Skya Hero. Hello. By the way, guys, if you want me to play other games on Steam or on other platform, you can just ask me to play it and I will play it for you guys. I was Bloomy Zonkin. I miss you, Bloomy Zonkin. Eddie, hello. I'm so happy. I'm gonna be playing the day before for maybe until morning. It says here,
Yes.
plan release date, December 8th, less than an hour. So I think it's gonna be at 2 a.m. Kailan Zombie? January po.
Hello! January pa!
I was banned. Why are you banned?
Music naman.
Negative yung Amelia, hello.
January daw.
Yeah, new obsession is games. Because it's such a stress reliever whenever I shoot someone in the head.
January pa pala eh. Dapat sumama na lang ako sa B-trip eh.
Somebody reported my account for stuff I didn't
Pero
do.
kaya yan.
Ooh, I see. Thank you so much for the power hug, Amelia.
May 600 ako. Kaya mo.
Mostly, nag-Roblox ka. Hindi nga, pero gusto ko siyang i-try actually. Kasi marami yung games,
Hindi,
di ba?
kaya mo ako. Nakalive ako.
What's your favorite dish? Sinigang. Sinigang.
Tres kami.
Saswars Friends. Gusto ko nga siyang ilabas ulit. Junelli Daniel. Hello, Junelli Daniela. Thank you so much. Thank you. Stickers.
Kanino?
FX.
Ay, mag-theater ka na. Sakit ng likod ko talaga.
Ganda to.
Hindi, sandal na po.
I already followed you, JJ. Chubby Cheeks, hello. Mosley, thank you so much for the love you. Athena. Hi, Precious. Yani Edits, what's up? Hi, A. Hi, Ams.
Hey, mag-iingat.
Did you message me? Janelli, then
Kumakala ko.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Did you message me? Janelli, Daniela, thank you so much. Did you message me? Janelli, Daniela, thank you so much. Lagging. Hello? Hello? It's lagging. Honor. I messaged already, JJ. Hi, Crystal.
Miss Thunder.
Thank you so much for the finger heart, Janelle Daniela.
Miss Thunder. Siya yan. Wow.
Yani Edits, thank you for the power hug.
Yun.
Aki, hello. Doon yun sa sa Discord. Ang cute, no? Aki, hello.
Kakilala ni Ma'am Lau.
Huy. Ang sarap. Okay, JJ. Titig malagkit. Asrana, hello. I miss you. No, in the Discord. Asrana, I need your help. Because I want to play this game the day before so I can make a content for you guys, a gaming content. It's gonna be released at 2 a.m. here in the Philippines. So if you can help, please help.
Ano kamay ko? Tapos na siguro yung movie, tita. January 2 nagpapalabas eh. Pasama mo ako kay Tito Mama. Ha? Punta kami ah.
Gago, baka maban ako. Gagi kaya. Oo, rinig na rinig. Tama nga sila.
Kailan yung balik namin sa January, ano?
Hindi ko alam ba?
February yata. Kailan January, ano?
Dapat hindi na ka nag-aaral.
Gagi, may naungol sa live. Tingnan niyo yung live ko. Rinig na rinig.
Tapos na pala yung movie ni Kuya Yanni. Dapat pinablog nila, no?
Oh my God. Asran Hana, what am I hearing? Huy! Bastard! Ikaw yun at Zendy, yung. Ang pangit mo na umungol. Kadiri. Oh my God. Uy. Gago. Yeah! Gago. Asher Hannah, how are you? Look at this game, it's so nice. The day before. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Bidang-bida talaga, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Ang mamaki ba ito? I-bash niyo po yan, guys. I-bash yan. Follow. Nimsy, hello. Raul. Give me a minute. Look, Ashrana, the day before, it's 2,000 pesos here in the Philippines. It's gonna come out at 2 a.m. So I'm hoping if you want to see more gaming content from me, you know, you can help me. You can help me get the day before. Ryan Bowers, I miss you. Look, Ryan Bowers, oh, the day before, it's a new game. It's gonna come out at 2 a.m. So if you want to see more gaming content from me, you know, it's for you guys also. Yeah, it's 2,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Very cheap, but I can't afford it, you know? So if you want to see more contents from me, you know, just send me a Uniprint. If you want to see more of me, hey, Crystal Jane. If you want to see more of me, follow me on my OnlyFans. Oh my God! Baston. Yo. Gag. Ano ba?
Sinabi mo na kay mama, hindi ako pupunta bukas. Ano? Hindi ako pupunta. Ano na po sabihin? Si mama, kasi yun mo nasasabi ko. Bukas. Nananaginip na yun eh.
Aki, hello. J. Maris Cal, hello. You're my anime. Hello, hi Kyle. Pang late night talks. Got you. Oh my God. Where's Asher and Hannah? Where is Ryan Bowers? I'm feeling very sad right now. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish a panel lover that can hold me.
Gusto mo yun na
Tingin na MMD.
bukas na.
Para ka ba si Jamul yun, ah? Yani edits, hello. I'm eating, leave me alone. I will be alone if you help me by the day before the game. You know, the game is very nice. I think the game will be so cool. I will give you alone if you ban this game. And I'll be happy. I will give you alone. Yani edits, hello. Thank you so much, Yani Edits, for the roses. I will give you alone. Ashrana, it's gonna come out at 2 a.m. It's already 1:28. What's up? Keep up. I'll see what I can send. I'm waiting. I think it's $39 or $49 in USD, the game. Imagine, I am making Palimos just because of the game. Very nice. Kyle. How much in pesos? It's 2,000 pesos. I think. Or 3. Because it's gonna be early access. Oh my god! And this is for you, Ryan. This is for you.
Ano tayo? Ay, hindi ka naman masyado.
Ashrahana, what's up? Aren't you gonna keep up with Ryan? What's up? For me, I will not let myself lose. Don't yourself. Don't keep you alone. Thank you so much, Ryan. I miss you. You know, oh, Ryan send me again. Are you gonna keep up? You keep up. Okay, I will give you a loan. Thank you guys for the stream. Bye. Oh my god! I didn't know what to say before. I'm so happy myself. This is for you guys. This is for you guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let me eat. No. Give up. Thank you, Ashrana, for the gift. Where are you? What you doing? Why you know? Oh, di ba may pang-McDo pa? Cash out. Charot. Sira. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna pay my bills now. Di na ako maglalaro, te. Mag-ano lang ako. Pang pang Meralco. I will pay my electricity today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ryan. I miss you so much. Tapos cam lang pala game, no? Ayoko na magbabayad na lang ako ng Meralco. I will pay my electricity instead of the game.
Kailangan mo yan. Diba? Kasi sa may sinusulat ako.
Thank you, Barrett. Galit, mami. Miss you, God. What are you eating? Can I have some? Look at my hair. It's growing. What are you doing in life, Brian?
Yun nga lang pinaglilibang ako.
Bakit? Meron ka na ba?
Dito ako magsusulat oh.
Andiyan na ba? Yay! Malilibre na si Ate Zendy.
Tapos pa yan ng maraming idol ko.
Sige, bilang mo na ako, Tize. Di ka rin eh.
Di pa tapos.
Hindi pa eh.
Pang-kuryente ko to, Ate Zendy. Di ba wala pang birthday gift sa akin? Sabi ni Ate Zendy, guys, nung birthday ko, gusto niyo daw bumili ng cake para lang daw, yung pambili ng cake, pang na lang, pang the day before. Ano? May nato ba? I hope you guys are doing well. Okay. When do you want me to post POVs? Since I don't post much, right? If someone pay my electricity for this month, I will post tomorrow. Grabbing scam. Everything is a scam right now. Char, what's up, K-pop? Drummer POV. I will look for a song. I think. Do you guys want that song? I'm gonna live with the game. I'm gonna game stream later the day before. So Astra Hannah and Ryan Bowers can watch me play the game. Yani edits also and Anne and everyone, of course.
Maya.
See, the game is so nice.
Pagbigyan mo
That's
ako
the
ngayon.
game. 25 minutes left. Oh my god.
Bukas, bigyan mo ako ng notebook.
Bye, Eddie. I'll be gaming and watching your live stream. Do you play, Ryan? Do you play games?
Pinutin kita naman. Ha?
Okay, our next goal is to pay my electricity. My electricity costs like 10,000 pesos here in the Philippines. I'm gonna cry. Char. Ryan Bowers, yes, Lord. What do you play? I didn't know that you play. I haven't, my god. Pringles or Doritos? Both. But I love Doritos more. No, I love Pringles. I don't know. Astra, do you play?
Bukas wala na.
Mariel, hi. Akira, Shinchi, Angel Tablan. Doritos or Takis? Takis.
Nilalaglag ko talaga.
Ashrana, do you have Takis there? Where do you live? Call of Duty, a little bit of everything. Oh, you play Call of Duty? Like Warfare? Do you play Call of Duty Warfare? Ate Zendy, ano yung MW3 na Call of Duty? Warfare yun, no? Ano yung nilalaro nyo? Yung nilalaro nyo? Ryan Bowers, do you want me to play Warfare also? You can buy the game for me. If you want me to play with you, you can buy. I haven't tried Warfare before, but I really wanna try. But it's so expensive, you know. Ate Zendy play Warfare, but I can play with them because I don't have Warfare. It's so fun. I want to experience Ryan. Do you want to send a gift to me?
Ayo.
My Steam. A gift to me on 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 my Steam. Naglag ako. Asrana, do you have Takis there? Next time I get paid, it'll be your Christmas gift. Oh my God. You're gonna give it to me as a gift, Ryan. You're gonna give me Warfare. Oh my God. Stop! That's fair. Yeah, I really wanna play. I'm very interested about that game, but it's so much, you know. Thank you in advance. Do you have Takis there, Ashohana? If you have, you can Lala move. But is modern MW3 good? Oh yeah, MW2, so you can play with us. Yeah, you can play with us, Ryan, if you have MW2. But I don't have MW2 though. I haven't tried that game, but it's very interesting. Ano? Wait. Di ba may parating na 5? Di ba may parating 4? 3. Sige. Okay. Ate Jenny said MW. Para naman ako nagtingin ng tatay ko, gagi. Family size bag of chips or the small packs? I want the family size bag of chips. My favorite Takis are the blue ones. And I love the red one. The spicy, I really love the spicy ones. Oh my God, 20 minutes. Oh my God. Do you eat Takis, Astra and Hannah? Laylin Boodle fans. Yani Buraot live. For the game, you love zombies, it's open world. I love it more if you buy it for me, Ryan. I'm gonna be waiting for my Christmas gift and I can play with you. You know? Oh, you can play with Asia server? No. Pwede ba yun? Like, can you play with Asia server? Yep, I do. If you have Takis, Ashana, you can send it to me. Ryan. Oh my God! Really? You're gonna buy the Call of Duty Warfare for me? Do you like the work crisp? Your chips? Anything, basta Takis. I love Takis. But I want to try other flavors of Takis. I already tried the blue ones, the jalapeno ones. I think that's the thing that I like. Alright, tasted my quiet. Ryan Bowers, oh my God, really? You promise, pinky swear, you're gonna buy the Warfare for me? Okay, I will give you my Steam. I will buy you Takis. Oh my God, ano ba to? Para naman ako Really, where do you live? Mirab. Para naman ako kailangan nananawagan ng ano dito. Yeah. It's Christmas, guys. It's okay to have your wish list, right? My wish list is to go to you. Well, too far lamang. You can be a Lala move it. Yay! Thank you kay yan lang babalik ko. Yes, I'll get it for you. I'll let you know. Where can I message you, Ryan Bauer, so I can give you my Steam, what do they call this? Friend code. I'll message you on Instagram. What's your Instagram? I'm waiting for Astra Hannah to give me, to give me Takis. That's my wish for Christmas. My wish for this Christmas is to pay my bills. My current, my electricity, my water, my rent. That's the wish list of an adulting. I just want to eat my chicken. You can eat your chicken. Is it fried or is it grilled? Skulls, I miss you. RBL Mountaineer. Okay, wait, I'll add you. This is gonna lag for a while. Wait. RLB Mountaineer. Mountaineer. RL. 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 Hi! What flavor do you want? The blue one, the jalapeno one, or I want to try other flavors also. I already followed Ryan Powers. I'm so excited for Warfare. I always see Atizade playing the Warfare, and it's so nice. I mean, it's kind of hard. Creatinix. Yeah, I always see Atizende play Warfare, and it's so nice. The graphics is so nice. It feels like real life, you know. I will buy you all favors of Takis on Christmas. Hi, thank you. But did you know, guys? On my birthday, the only person that gave me a gift, no, not person, the only people that gave me a gift on my birthday is Asha Hannah, my mom, Rose, but the first one is Asra and Hannah. So I'm very thankful for Asra and Hannah. Thank you so much, Asra and Hannah. What else is on your wish list? My electricity bills. Ano? Yun the day before. Relatable, right? Like, if you are an adult, you are gonna be worrying about your electricity bill so you cannot be evacuated on your condo. My God. My electricity bill is 9,000 pesos. Right now, I think it's... I don't know how much it is in dollars. Ibang bansa, I already went to Bali, Indonesia, Singapore. That's the only places that I've been before. Other than my electricity bill on my wish list is the Warzone. I think Ryan will will buy it for me on Christmas. Na? Di ba? Right? Yeah, other than that, my wish list. No, I don't think any... The electricity, that's my wish list on Christmas. The electricity only. I don't know why electricity is very expensive right now, you know? Can I DM you on Insta? Yeah, just sure. PS5. I already have a PS5. Maybe for games, I really like this game on PS5, the Naruto one. It's, wait, I'm gonna search it. Naruto Ultimate Ninja Naruto Storm 5. I think it's Naruto. I have Xbox Series. Oh, that's nice. This one, I love this game, but I can't buy it because it's so expensive. This one, Naruto Boruto Ultimate Ninja Storm Connections. Look, I really love Naruto. I was waiting for this game and it arrived on it was released on November, but I didn't get to buy it. So Skulls, if you're asking for my wish list for this Christmas, it's the Naruto. It's the Naruto Ninja Storm Connections. I really love this game. I have the Naruto Road to Boruto 1, but I think this one is nice, Naruto Boruto Ultimate Ninja Storm Connections, because it has an additional character from the series. Te amo pero solo me ves como tu amigo. Okay, lol. Skulls, what are you saying? Are you telling me